Healthier Together, sponsored by Regents Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
Well, you just imagine, you have an adult with dementia, 69,000 Oregonians with Alzheimer's disease. They need almost double that number in terms of caregivers.
In Oregon, more than 130,000 family caregivers bear the burden of Alzheimer's disease. In Washington, it's more than double that at 297,000. In this week's Healthier Together, we're continuing our conversation around Alzheimer's disease. And today, we want to focus on the spouses, adult children, and others caring for the more than 6 million people living with the disease. 83% of the help provided to older adults in the U.S. comes from family members, friends, or other unpaid caregivers. Nearly half of those caregivers provide help to someone living with Alzheimer's or another dementia. Dr. Drew Oliveira is a family physician and senior executive medical director at Regents Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon. He says the health and well-being of the caregiver often gets put on the back burner.
It's stressful, and people who are caregivers will report about a 20% incidence of depression. Many of them have physical health issues themselves. Over half of them have chronic diseases that they have to manage as well. And when you're caring for someone else, you're not necessarily caring for yourself, and you may become overwhelmed.
He says as our population continues to age, support really needs to come from the whole community, family and friends of not just the person living with dementia, but for the caregivers as well.
And if you know someone who's a caregiver, see what you can do to help them, right? So maybe that's not doing direct care for that individual, but it might be, I'm going to go get groceries for you. I'm going to mow your lawn. I'm going to go help clean the house. I'm going to take some things off your plate, maybe give you a break so you can go take care of yourself.
There are important resources in the community to support caregivers right now. The Alzheimer's Association is a really good place to start. Just visit alz.org. Our local chapter has support groups, programs, and many resources to help you and your loved one through an Alzheimer's diagnosis.
Just understand you're not alone in that, and others will have that experience.
We'll bring you a Healthier Together story every Tuesday here on KGW. Next week, we're talking Men's Health Month and why those yearly checkups can literally be a lifesaver.